a British Muslim charity has broken the world record for the largest number of blood donations in one day, months after the NHS urged more donors to step forward. The volunteer-run world record effort was led in August by Who is Hussein, a social justice charity that worked with NHS Blood and Transplant, as well as the Imam Hussein Blood Donation Campaign, one of the country's oldest Muslim blood donation organizations. As part of the campaign, called Global Blood Heroes, blood donation centers across the UK, and dozens of other centers in 27 countries including Argentina, Iraq, and Thailand, collected blood from more than 37,000 people. Donations began at a center in New Zealand and concluded in the US. Donating blood is a universal act of compassion that can unite people all around the world. We all bleed the same, said the charity's director. Authenticated by the official world records, the total number of blood donations was 37,018, beating the previous record of 34,723 set in 2020. One donation can help to save or improve the lives of up to 3 people, according to NHS Blood and Transplant, which means more than 110,000 lives could be saved or improved by the British charity's efforts.